Ladies and gentlemen, a warm greetings to everyone as we celebrate the 9 Bakawan Festival 2026. Today, we come together as one community to celebrate our shared heritage, culture, traditions, and the strong spirit of unity that continues to bring us closer. This festival is a meaningful opportunity to honor what makes our community unique and to showcase the talents, costume, and pride of our people. May this celebration strengthen our sense of belonging, deepen our appreciation for our local culture, and inspire us to continue working together for a strong and more vibrant community. To everyone who made this celebration possible, and to all our guests and participants, thank you for being part of this special occasion. As chairman of 9 Bakawan Festival 2026, I hereby declare that the celebration of our 9 Bakawan Festival is officially open. 4, 3, 2, year by year talagang mas lumilevel at ang celebration ng Bakawan Festival. Witness talaga ako dyan. Oo nga. This is actually my 9th year celebration.